Let's get straight to it. 2012 Cadillac CTS4. This is the 3.0 liter engine. All right, so I have the vehicle in the air and I have my jack stands in place. So now we're safe to proceed. All right, so once you get this in the air and come underneath it here, you can see there's two separate panels that need to be removed. There's one here and one here in the back. You can see where this stuff is leaking, coolant is leaking right here. So we need to remove this panel here. So there's a bunch of body panel clips. You can see that's all around it. We need to remove. And up here, there's a bunch, but we don't need to remove all of these. You can look through here and see the ones that's attached and the ones that go straight through. So just remove the ones that's attached, like this one here, from this one on down to the one on the other side. Then there's two 10mm bolts, one on this side and one on that side to get out. Once you get all of this stuff out, you can get this first panel down. All right, so we got this first one off by removing all of these clips like this and those two bolts. Now, so the second one here is mostly bolts. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts to get this off, and that's it. That's how you get the bottom covers off.